Okay, this is the start of my PT2 recording in LCS. I started with the gym because after I went home, I ate and wala, nagrekta na lang ako sa gym. This is located in Montaña, Burgos in Rizal. And this is where I usually live. And for my reflection, it felt the first day really felt nice because I was with my friends at that time. And sometimes it's rare for me to be with them because medyo nga ano sila, medyo busy na sa schools nila, and I was really happy na I've got to spend that time with them. So day 2, July 21, um, same place, Montaña Burgos at Rizal. Uh, my reflection was medyo napagod talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but I was really not feeling the workout in this particular day. I don't really know why. Medyo ano kasi ako eh. Medyo pagod ata or exhausted. Yeah, medyo exhausted. And di ko nasama yung isang kong kaibigan dyan, which is si Liam. So, si Ali na lang kasama ko. But, overall, the gym, the gym session was really good. I was just really feeling exhausted that day. So, the start of day 3, it was really, it was okay. I wouldn't say it was a good gym session, but it was okay. Pero I've got about something to eat after my session, which was really nice. And my reflection for that day was it was really fun because I met some few people at my gym that I don't usually talk to, but at that day we just hang out and had a conversation, which was really nice. Day 4, I was supposed to play badminton with my friends, but this day it was raining. Yeah, I remember. It was raining, so they couldn't really come. Medyo malayo kasi yung bahay nila sa akin, pero okay lang naman, nakapaglakad pa naman ako and reach the 20-minute mark. And kahit naman di ko sila nakita nung kanina, we still played on Roblox. And also, I've got to revisit cubing, which I really love, and hadn't have much time to play. And day 5, Friday, it was really nice. Syempre nga, online class, so I've got there really early. Kasama ko si Liam Neto, si Liam, tapos may kinukwento siya sa akin tungkol sa school niya. And it's really fun. Medyo late na pumunta si Ali dito eh, pero okay lang. The reflection of my day was, it was really nice. Kasama ko ulit mga kaibigan ko. But it was really nice. So, second to the last, July 25. It was
Tapos ka na
really
sa
nice.
ano,
I really like this day because I reached a new PR and pull-ups. Last time I could only do 8 in a row, but that time I did like 9 or 10 without stopping, which was really nice. And the weather was, it wasn't really raining and it wasn't really sunny. It was just windy and cold outside, which was really nice in change of the really hot sun. My reflection was, it was a really good day. I also got something to eat afterwards, which was nice. So we've reached our last final day, day 7. It was really fun naman. Yun nga, dapat nga Ba-badminton kami ng mga kaibigan ko pero wala, medyo busy sila. They're getting ready kasi para sa pistahan kasi next week neto, since Sunday to, next week neto, pistahanan nila sa school nila, yung old school ko. Which, okay lang naman, at least I still got my steps in. My reflection on this day is, it was fun. Since Sunday, maaga ako napaglaro and maaga rin ako maaga lang ako nakagawa ng reflection and recreation activity and yeah, it was nice. So my insight is this was really a great opportunity for me to reflect on my day-to-day basis. Kasi medyo kadalasan pressure ko ng sarili ko hanggat matapos ko yung mga assignments ko. Pero at least hindi late. And di ko talaga marirecommend yan kasi kadalasan nababurnout ako. Kaya minsan sa gym, medyo nahihina na ako. Pero it was fun naman. And sana talaga yung journaling and reflection magawa ko kahit hindi naman day to day, kahit on a weekly basis. And yeah, this was really a great opportunity. And that's it. Thank you. Thank you.